Tremble, brave mortal, before the might of Father Printmas.
Hello, fellow makers. Father Printmas here again. And another 3D print for 3D Printed Soup's Advent Calendar. Today we are doing this wonderful, wonderful sign for your Christmas tree. It looks like a bauble, but it also says Merry Christmas. I preferred if it said Merry Printmas, but I don't think the person who made this knows what Printmas is. He would have to be educated by Father Printmas.
Oh, he'll be educated.
This was made by this maker here. And he's done a fantastic job of making this lovely, lovely Christmas festive thing to hang on your tree and remind you of the festive season. So, thank you very much to the person who's uploaded this. And thank you all for watching and for subscribing. Many, many of you. We're up to 700. That's almost the amount of years that I have under my belt. And the number on my belt. Oh, too many mince pies, Father Printmas. Too many mince pies. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And click the bell button so you don't miss a single day of the 3D Printed Advent Calendar.
Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing.